Hello there. I wanted to show you Bob Marley, Three Little Birds, okay? Sometimes I teach big chords for this song, the G chord or the bass notes, but first I just want to teach you the basic pattern using these three notes that you already know from Twinkle Star. So the first note in Bob Marley is G. We're going to do a measure of G. A measure is 4 counts, so that would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that again. Ready? Second measure, go. G, 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 G. Now the next measure is going to change to the C note. So your first finger is going to be on the first fret, second string, okay? If you take your finger off, that's the B, second string, B. This hand should be over here, the sound tone, right? But I'm going to put it over here just so you can see. So C note. Can you find the C? C. Let's do a measure of C, which means 4 counts. Ready? Go. C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here's the pattern for Bob Marley, Three Little Birds. It's G, G, C, G. Can you say that back to me? Okay, so when I say G, that's a whole measure, which means it's 4 counts, okay? So I want you to try to follow along with me. 4 Gs, 4 Gs, 4 Cs, 4 Gs. And if you miss a note while you're learning it, that's okay. Okay, we're just gonna learn it for now and we'll work on it more later. Okay, get ready for the open G. And then eventually, we can't let this hand fall asleep or fly away, okay? We gotta keep them kind of close. So we'll keep your thumb right in the middle back there. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, third string G. Don't worry, 2, 3, about a thing, G, 2, 3. Get ready for the C note, second string. Every little thing is gonna be all back to G. All right, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Let's do that again, okay? If you need to pause the video and practice by yourself, that's okay. But if you're ready to go and try it one more time, the whole thing with me, here we go. Get ready for open G. And remember, C doesn't come for a little while, but I'm going to keep my finger floating around here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, 3, G. Don't worry, 2, 3, 4, about a thing. 1, 2, 3, to C. Every little thing is gonna be alright. G, 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 G. Okay, and remember when we're hitting these notes over here, third string or whatever string, make sure you sink in to the belly of the guitar. And you almost rest on the other string, just really quickly like that. G, G. If you're ready to alternate fingers, it would be G, G. Okay, I don't want any hands coming up like that, wrist bouncing. Check your bridge. Find the angle here. Make sure your bridge is kind of high like that. We don't want to collapse bridge. And over here, remember, we don't want to squeeze the guitar like that with little tiny baby fingers. We want big fingers like that, okay, not tiny. And I call that the wormhole right there. That's right. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll show you the next part of the song next time. This is the chorus. It's how the song starts, okay? Bye.